In fact, there's also been a massive IT raid on the Jain Cooperative Bank in the national capital. Branches in 4 areas have been raided. Bank board members suspected of laundering money are also being questioned. 1,200 accounts have opened since demonetization. Now, several of the accounts are suspected to be illegal. 120 crore rupees had been deposited in the bank since the demonetization announcement was made on the 8th of November. Arthur joins us for the very latest. Arthur, first of all, tell us about the recovery and also just tell us about the kind of questioning that will now begin with regards to the bank officials.
Well, you see, Avantika, is a very interesting case in the sense that the entire board of the bank was involved, from the chairman to the peon. An effort was made to totally scuttle the demonetization drive. On 11th of November, there was a board meeting where the chairman, vice chairman, directors, everybody were present, but there were no minutes of meeting prepared. The CCTV footage was also deleted, and in that meeting, Avantika, it was decided that they would convert the old notes into new notes illegally. And in that meeting, quotas were fixed for everybody, from chairman, which was 5 lakh rupees, vice chairman 4 lakh rupees, and up to peon, which was 4,000 rupees. So that was going on until 14th of November, when the RBI became strict and stopped converting money in the cooperative banks. It was then that the board had decided to double their quota. A nodal officer was deputed to carry out these activities, who would go with cash to various bank branches so that there was no leakage of this information, which was going on secretly. And then, after all this conversion was done, Avantika, the entire staff, the lower rung staff, was transferred from that particular Daryaganj branch to other branches so that there was no traces left. If any inquiry was made in future, there was no evidence. However, the IT sleuths had a specific information which they acted. Okay. And last few days they have been raiding. And today, as we speak, there's a raid which is on at Jain Cooperative Bank at Daryaganj.
All right. Thank you, Arthur, for getting us all the details and updates. We will keep coming back to you for further news.